right. Today is Vivo Day. They have a new phone. New phones? Multiple phones. X70 Pro, X70 Pro Plus. They also sent some headphones. Apparently, the feature that matters here is the night mode on the X70 Pro Plus. I've seen some samples. I'm going to test it myself. They claim it's some revelation, some huge improvement in night mode. You're going to see the lights go out here in a second. Are you going to hit the lights right now? Okay, go ahead and hit the lights. Woo! It's a lot of smartphones these days, and the key thing here is some sort of element that we can focus in on, in this case, night mode, to see how it compares to some of the other stuff that's on the market. Whatever you like. Oh, look at the way they did the presentation. Photography redefined. That's different. It's like they're so focused on the camera module. They're so focused on their camera developments and Zeiss partnership that they're gonna just show you that and then the phone. And that is a huge camera unit. I remember when we were doing the previous Vivo phone, which had the gimbal in the camera and that funky intro. It's very like robotic, or what did it remind me of? That movie?
Wally.
Wally, that's correct. Yeah. A certain kind of feeling to that movie. Let's check out the experience here. Okay, this is, yeah, it's the black model. This is, that's a pretty premium thing going on there. It's like a box in a box type of, okay, we'll just put that over. Very slim in the hand. Is that a matte finish? Almost a phantom-like finish, dare I say. Why am I whispering? Can you even hear me whispering? .57, 3.4, 14 to 125. T coding, that's legit photography stuff. Actually, they say professional photography right at the top. Yeah, that's a camera unit. I even see a Periscope camera unit in there as well. And the frame has a matte finish to it. Yeah, the entire surrounding has a matte finish to it. The metal components and then the glass sandwich, as it were. SIM tray, USB Type-C, I presume some fairly fast charging. Hole punch in the center here. Let me put it down. All right, yeah. This says 66 watt flash charge on it. There's also a case, and this carrying case has a leather-like feel to it, actually. That'll do. Cool. .70 Pro. Different? Same? Baby version. Big brother, little brother. The finish, very similar. I know they have a different name for it, but they've gone with this matte finish. Power brick looks equally impressive. What do we have here? 44 watt. So 66 watt capable brick, 44 watt capable brick in this package. Whoa, that's different. This gradient, mirror finish from blue to black. And then the earbuds which also have a little unusual shimmer from like a dark black up top to chrome blue at the bottom. Type-C to charge it up. Ooh, yes, of course we have a luxurious refresh rate. We expect nothing less in 2021. Why don't we lock it at 120? That is a really snappy feel to it at that refresh. You won't be able to appreciate it, but I can for you and tell you that it's very snappy and pleasing. Dare I say pleasing. HDR was on by default as well. Oh, yes. The beard hair test successfully passed. Different options here from 0.6 ultra wide to 1x, 2x, 5x as well. This is going to be your Periscope lens, so that's going to be quite a zoom to it. Like, check that out. I am currently looking at you, Kirk, and I'm going to take a photo without it being dark or night. That's that photo. And then next, I'm going to go ahead and kill the lights, and we're going to see how magnificent this night mode is. Woo!
I can't see anything. So.
No, you can't see anything,
Yeah.
but you're very lit up. They're calling it extreme night, but I'm already realizing that the tiny amount of light that's hitting your face from the screen on the camera is illuminating you. I'm gonna try to take this photo. Whoa, Mo, are you able to showcase what's happening here? That is absolutely wild.
Yeah, I mean, I can see it, and we're in pitch black. I can't even see you at all.
Let's go ahead and turn the lights back on, and I'm just going to show you what happened here. This is wild. It made something out of nothing. It was absolute pitch black. Look at yourself, Kirk. You look like a movie poster in here. Wow.
I can't even see anything.
So again, absolute pitch black. Mo's dead. He tripped on something. So we see it's a very slight reflection on there from some ambient light that's being picked up, but it's still crazy dark. It's saying it needs 6 seconds for extreme night. Whoa, baby. Holy moly, look at this. That was pitch black. Absolutely pitch black. You know, something that's happening here in the smartphone market, and I know it's a lot of smartphones that are coming out and it's hard to keep it all together, but the beauty of that is competition and what competition breeds. As there's this grappling going on for supremacy between this variety of brands, you have companies like Vivo that tackle one element and say, we're going to do that better, or we're going to at least put a tremendous amount of focus into it in our new flagship device. And then we end up with something like that just pushes the marketplace. We end up with something like this incredible night mode that then other manufacturers are going to have to compete with. So it's the beauty of having tremendous selection and so many players in the space. Crazy how with such a tiny amount of light, it can create something so detailed. But like a flagship fit and finish, an absolutely bananas night mode, a lot of camera versatility as well. Video mode, resolution up to 8K. Shall we try a little bit of 8K video? So we're recording 8K video now, and some audio, obviously, if you're watching this clip. It's got some stabilization going on somehow. I'm gonna just reach in here and grab one of these. That's so relaxing. I'm hypnotized. It's happening there. It's happening here. I don't know who these people are on the backgrounds here. It's a lot of fancy looking things and people. I'll stick to the pizza, actually. God, that kind of makes me hungry. With the black olives, do you like black olives?
Oh yeah.
Oh, but we all do. Some people, for whatever reason, have an issue with black olives, but me, black olives on a pizza? Tell you what, I'll do some damage there. Yeah, what can I say? I mean, it's a pretty nice package. So I think Vivo is continuing to progress. I think it's good for the market. I think it's nice to have these players, and these night mode shots, they kind of speak for themselves. There's something happening there, and it's a good thing that's happening. I'll tell you that.